In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your HubSpot content. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's appeal or simply want to convey more dynamic information through multimedia, incorporating videos can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and you're on your HubSpot homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools and features you need. Once you're there, look over to the top of the page where you can see the main navigation menu. You'll want to click on Content. This will take you to a page where you can manage all the content associated with your website. Next, you need to navigate to Website Pages. This section is crucial because it's where you'll find all the pages that make up your site. After clicking on Website Pages, a list of your existing pages will appear. From here, identify the specific page you want to edit and click on it. This action will open the editor for that page, allowing you to make the necessary changes. Now, direct your attention to the top left sidebar in the editor. You'll see an option marked Add. Click on this to expand a search bar and type in the word Video. This will help filter your options, making it easier to find the video module that you want to add to your page. Once the video option appears in the list, click on it. You'll then see a video icon that you can drag and drop into the desired location on your page. This drag and drop feature is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to position your video exactly where you want it to appear on your page. After dragging the video icon, you'll need to fill in the details about the video you want to display. This includes selecting the type of video you wish to upload or link, whether it's a file from your computer or a link from a video hosting platform. Ensure you have all the necessary details ready to streamline this process. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added a video to your HubSpot content. This simple addition can greatly enhance the engagement level of your page, making your content more interactive and visually appealing. Remember, adding videos is a fantastic way to enrich your content, keeping your audience engaged and informed. So feel free to experiment with different video types and placements to see what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching and happy editing!